Hello and welcome to the HTML5 course. I'm going to start by creating an HTML file index.html, and we will cover the basics of HTML in this video. HTML file consists of a number of HTML elements. The element I'm going to be adding is a doc type HTML element, which tells the browser that our page is an HTML page. Followed by this, I'm going to add the HTML element, and inside the HTML element I am going to add the head element and body elements. This is the basic code that will remain same for most of the HTML. All of the HTML. In the head element, we add the information about web page that will not be displayed in the browser. We add content that will be displayed in our browser inside the body element. We are almost done with adding information inside the head element. Moving to the body element now. Inside the body element, we will be adding two elements, one element for heading and one element for paragraph. The h1 element is for heading of our page, and the p tag will add a paragraph. And after this, I'm going to show you the output in the browser in a little while. And here's our output. Here you can see a heading and a paragraph. That will be all for this video. I will be posting a video about browsers and preferences later, and I'll be putting the link in the description, so make sure you check out. Thank you. That will be all for this video.